Augmented Operator Advisor by FastLogix Automation. EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor by Schneider Electric is a technology that uses augmented reality to quickly access information in a warehouse, manufacturing plant, or other operating facility by pointing a tablet or smartphone at a site or equipment to be monitored. This technology, called augmented reality, can greatly optimize the operation and maintenance of industrial sites and equipment. EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor uses special image comparison techniques to match the scene visible in the field of view of the tablet camera with previously stored photographs of the same scene. When a match is made, markers, called points of interest, are overlaid on the live scene visible on the tablet. The operator then taps the point of interest markers to display information. An operator using A.O.A. can rely on any type of information. For example, any data value, a database input, variable documents such as schematics or instruction sheets, multimedia files, web pages and hyperlinks, and more. Augmented Operator Advisor should be used by any organization that wants to have immediate access to information needed for better performance, strives to minimize unnecessary downtime of operation, and reduce operator errors. Augmented Operator Advisor is used to access real-time data of real facility equipment, for instance, in front of a machine or a production line, in front of an electrical cabinet or a hidden part of a machine, or for an overall view of a particular area. Augmented Operator Advisor is made of the following components: building tool, runtime device, and user app. The building tool is used by the developer to combine and compile all the information into a project. The runtime component is an intermediate software used to connect the project to the facility environment. The user app is what is installed on the client's local PC or storage and is used by an operator in the real-time world. The building tool is an application for developers only. It requires an annual license supplied by a developer. The building tool is comprised of the main project or projects, project areas, scenes, and procedures for user operators. The runtime component is a central device used for gathering, compiling, and presenting points of interest defined by the building tool. The license for the runtime component is permanent and is obtained by a customer. While hardware supporting the runtime manager is versatile, there are still some prerequisites, such as a proper version of Microsoft Net or installation of Node-RED in order to be able to run it. A.O.A. runtime interface is straightforward. It includes menus for the project upload, setting up the documentation path, communication protocols and paths, and language. There is also an A.O.A. Manager link. A.O.A. Manager does not require an additional license and is used for setting up local users, procedures, adding notes to each procedure, etc. The user app is the main application for end users and clients. It requires no license and can be run on any tablet or cell phone of a newer generation. The only prerequisite is to have the runtime component installed on the same network. The A.O.A. user app can be downloaded on a tablet or a smartphone. The main application requires a login in order to access the live project itself and offers a few other options as well. After providing the correct credentials, defined under the A.O.A. Manager, the main project is connected and opens up. Once the user app is connected to, it is ready to be used. An operator may adjust the pointer size, create a list of favorites, show to-do procedures and points of interest, display a list of points of interest, display a list of pending messages, open a scene or subscene, freeze or zoom in, add a note to the scene or subscene, take a screenshot of the scene, show or hide various controls, display variable points of interest, open a document browser, request a remote assist if defined, connect to a runtime device, group favorites together, and more. The Augmented Operator Advisor Development Model. The project is started by engaging FastLogix, discussing the customer needs, and collecting all the information and data needed. The project is built and customized as needed, and then the infrastructure is installed. The app is launched, tested, and tuned up. If needed, further support service may be acquired too. Contact us at sales@fastlogixautomation.com. FastLogix Automation, best choice for your business.